Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the car and yourself. Disconnect the negative battery terminal, then wait 1 minute so capacitors discharge. Once done, remove the dash trim, use a plastic panel tool, and work along seams to release clips without cracking plastic. Now locate and remove the instrument cluster screws, label them, and keep in a tray so reassembly is precise. This first access step matters because dashboard lights are replaced from behind the cluster. You cannot skip these actions. With screws out, tilt the instrument cluster forward just enough to reach the rear connectors. You will unplug 2 wiring harnesses. Press the retaining tabs, then pull straight back. Locate the round bulb holders, twist them counterclockwise, and extract the bulb. Replace each with the exact OEM bulb type. This maintains brightness and temperature ratings. Before snapping everything back, reconnect the negative terminal temporarily and test the bulbs with low power. Make sure indicators and backlight color match expectations. Reinstall the cluster by aligning the tabs and reconnecting the wiring harnesses. Listen for a click. Seat the cluster, reinstall screws in their original positions and snug them, do not over-tighten. Reconnect the negative battery and verify gauges, indicator lights, and dimmer operation. If a light still fails, check the instrument panel fuse first, then test ground continuity to the cluster. Make sure bulbs are fully seated, oriented correctly, and sockets are free of corrosion. This resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.